Rebel Gang. Guys, look, man, I'm gonna be very honest and very transparent. There are times where I get shoes from really dope brands, really dope companies, and I'm so excited about the shoe that I can't wait for it to get here. And I know a lot of you sneakerheads out there who are just like me feel the exact same way. Now, the issue is when the company tells you that it's going to be up to 10 days just for it to register as shipped, and then another 10 days for it to ship to you, it can be really discouraging and it makes you not even want the shoe anymore. That happened to me with the sneaker that we're talking about today, guys. So Rebel Gang, let's go ahead and get into it, man. We are doing a discussion on, actually, let me go ahead and just take them out of the box, the Nike Dunk Low Undefeated, man, in its Dunk versus Air Force One colorway. This is, I believe, the Canteen Brown. The materials on this shoe are A1000. Yes, they are that good, guys. I mean, we got some really good materials, man, some really good leathers. This is just a really well done shoe, but undefeated. I'm gonna go ahead and get this out of the way because I want us to go ahead and get into this sneaker and talk about it, but y'all have got to do something about that shipping. Like, in all honesty, y'all have got to do something about that shipping. There is no way, for example, I don't have them out here. I don't really feel like going to go get them, guys, but my Undefeated 97s, I have the entire pack, all 3 colors. Now, the 2 colors I got from Undefeated, it took 15 total days for it just to ship, and then another 3 business days for them to arrive. This shoe right here, guys, I kid you not, I ordered this sneaker on June 18th. I received them on July 9th. Undefeated, come on, guys. Like, I get it. I'm glad you guys released this sneaker. I'm actually glad I got my hands on it. It's really dope. It's fire. Very awesome and well done. But guys, please control that shipping next time, okay? So I'm still really hyped to have this shoe in hand. I'm not capping when I say this. Although it took it almost 3 weeks, almost a month for it to get here, I'm actually glad I got them, all right? And the materials, guys, speak volumes, okay? Now, I don't have too many brown and yellow sneakers. I actually really do love this color combination, this color palette, so I'm actually really excited to have this sneaker, guys. So one thing that jumps out to me is, of course, the monochromes of browns that make the upper pop, but you also have a yellow check. And I know for a fact that this dunk actually pays homage to the Air Force Ones that dropped a while back, man, that Undefeated had, that actually paid homage to the Dunk versus Air Force One theme way back when. I think the colors were switched. I think this was actually on the Air Force One, and I think the color of the Air Force One was actually on the Dunks, and they switched them. Correct me if I'm wrong on that, guys. And matter of fact, in the comment section, make sure I have that story right. Please add on to it if you know the correct answer, okay? As far as wearing this sneaker, guys, yes, there will be an on foot at the end of this video, so y'all make sure y'all stick around and check that out. The materials on this are A1, guys. So let's go ahead, let me scoot up, man, move my water out the way, and let's go ahead and get into it. So look, the leather, guys, on this shoe is nothing short of phenomenal. When I tell you, man, this is some really good premium leather right here, okay? So leather that encompasses the entire back portion of the upper of the shoe, all the way back there onto the heel tab, guys, where this is actually a really good suede right here with that felt Nike logo. Let's keep it on the upper and around the outside, guys. So tumble leather Nike check, I mean some serious tumble leather. Right here on this side, it's like a canvas material right here underneath that dark brown material. Right here, guys, it's almost like a suede and canvas mixture right here on the toe box, and right here on the top, that same canvas material that's on the side panel is right here inside the toe box as well, okay? So you have brown laces, guys, that come with the shoe already installed, and you do get an extra set of yellow laces as well. Me personally, I would love to see a pair of dark brown laces come with this, because I think this would really set the shoe off and really make it pop. And Undefeated, if you're listening, guys, that brown baseball jersey that you dropped, I know you didn't drop it necessarily, oh, thumbnail. I know you guys didn't necessarily drop that jersey with this sneaker, but if you could just, you know, restock it so, you know, your boy can get his size, because XLs and 2XLs both sold out. So, you know, or you guys can just send me one, so that would be great too. So anyways, family, on the inside, man, you do have that Dunk versus Air Force One. That might be a good thumbnail right there, actually. But anyways, guys, you have that Dunk versus Air Force One inner sole right there. Undefeated logo branding right there on the tongue. All right, make sure you guys can see that. Let's see what else we got on here that's really dope. Undefeated branding right there on the side. That is is stitched into the shoe. Of course, you know, Undefeated has those 5 strikes going across right there. And of course, you have just a premium brown Nike outer sole, okay? The midsole right here, guys, midsole mudguard area, it is not white. That is actually a sail brown color. So Undefeated Nike, guys, good job on this sneaker. Good job on the premium materials, man. Good job on like this almost satin type of feel. This is actually the same feel, guys, that is inside of the white Oreo 4s right here. This is like satin feeling material. Just of course brown, and the one on the Oreo 4 is a silver colorway, okay? The box is right here, man. The box is actually really dope, and I'm so glad that although it took a while for it to get here, Undefeated shipped these in a very nice manner, if that makes any sense. So this box is in pristine condition, guys. You see Dunk versus Air Force One right there on the blue box. You see that Undefeated logo branding right there. Undefeated and Nike branding both shared on the right side of the box, and you do have Nike branding right here. On the bottom, just your information about the box and everything like that. You do have the tag right here. This is a size 12, so you guys already know what's up, man. Tag does read Nike Dunk Low SP Undefeated, Canteen Lemon Frost and Palomino. Canteen Lemon Frost Palomino. It also says Menaguri and Givre Citron. Guys, y'all know how I am. I can't pronounce half these colors anyway, but all I know is these are called the Canteens, and that is the Canteen brown color, okay? Inside, man, you do have that Dunk versus Air Force One paper right here. You know, that's mainly the inside, guys. So that is mainly the review of this sneaker, family. Like I said before, really dope shoe. I'm not gonna lie, I was able to get my hands on my pair of Undefeated Dunk Lows, man. Hopefully, family, you guys were able to do the same. In the comment section, Rebel Gang, let me know if you were able to cop these Dunk Lows. Let me know if this is a Dunk Low that you had your eyes on, if this is a dunk that you actually didn't even care about. You know, is it just all hype, or do you really love this monochrome brown and sail yellow mixture with these premium materials? Is this a shoe that you were looking for, guys? Is this a shoe that you even care about? All right, and Rebel Gang, with that being said, man, make sure you follow me on TikTok, make sure you follow me on Instagram and Twitter, guys. And with that being said, it's your boy Matt the Rebel, guys. It's the Nike Undefeated Dunk Low Air Force One versus Dunk Pack in the Canteen colorway. We're checking out of this video, family, and I'll see you in the next one. Until the next time, peace.